Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's go ahead and talk about how you can increase the sound of your AirPods Max. Let's say you have been using your AirPods Max for quite some time now. All of a sudden, you feel like your sound has been decreased and now you're looking for a way to just increase your volume or the bass on your AirPods Max. If you're gonna do this, there are a couple of things that you gotta do to just solve your problem. And the very first thing that I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys is a simple thing. So if you have been connected to your AirPods Max or the iPhone, let's say for quite some time now, then I will simply recommend you just disconnect your device and reconnect it just to check whether it is working or not. Now let's say it is not working, then the next things I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, once your device is connected with your iPhone, there's a one little thing that you got to do. First, just go ahead and grab your iPhone from the bottom here, and on your iPhone, you want to just head over to your settings and you scroll down here, and now you want to check out this option called music. Just go ahead and open this up here. Now once you come over here, you'll see this option called EQ, that stands for equalizer. So if you tap on there, then you'll see the different bass from here. So if your device is connected to your iPhone here, if you're going to choose anything like rock, or if you choose this option called hip hop or classic, these three things actually makes the sound like it's boost your sound a little more than usual. So you can simply choose any of those from here, and after that, just go ahead and play the music and check whether your sound has been increased or not. Well, if you still see, well, your sound is not increasing, all you gotta do while your device is connected to your iPhone here, you wanna just simply head over to settings on your iPhone there. You wanna scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. Make sure your sound is all the way to high. At the very same time, you just simply enable one more settings on your iPhone. On your iPhone, you want to head over to settings, you want to scroll down here, tap on accessibility, and here you want to scroll down again and simply tap on this option called audio and visual. Just go ahead and tap on there. Now here you will see this option called headphone accommodation. So if you open this up here, now if this feature is disabled, just go ahead and enable it. After that, you will see there will be multiple options will appear on your iPhone. Now check out this option called slight, moderate, and strong. So all you want to do is simply choose strong. Now get out of here. Now go ahead and just try to listen to music or podcast, and after that, check your problem. Now let's say you have done all the process here, but still you have the problem with your bass sounds. Then lastly, all you got to do is just go ahead and grab your device. And here is what you need to do. Just go ahead and just press this button called digital crown button and the noise cancellation button at the very same time to reset your device. Now just go ahead and press and hold them down and keep it holding unless you see the color actually start to change from the bottom. Alright, so once you see the color has changed, let go of this button. Now just go ahead and just grab your iPhone here. Now just connect it and go ahead and see whether your problem is solved or not. Now let's say you did all the process on your device, but still you have problem with your bass sound. Maybe your sound is still not increasing. Well, that could also mean you have a problem with hardware. In that case, you want to take your AirPods Max to the Apple Care to solve your problem. Alright guys, hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.